Today, the topic is analogical analytics of incidence diffusion of the viral TBDCO versus viral corona. Let us talk about the introduction about TBDCO and corona pandemic situation. The TBDCO are triple big data cyber criminal organizations, that is JNTH, JAC and FGOT. The JNTH-JAC is an online organization and FGOT is an offline organization, had existence since 2011. Four crimes are involved: State Emblem of India Act 2005 violation, identity theft under Section 66 CIT violation, sedition law violation, and cheating the nation. The many snapshots of the traces of the TBD CEOs were captured as screenshots and presented in. They show the cybercriminal website with Indian national emblem in the logo. The usage of the Indian national emblem is simply inadequate of the forgery of the national seal of India. The degree of the cybercrime is illustrated in section 2 of Nuts and Bolts paper. In the case of the TBDCO, neither the police nor the judiciary issued prohibition orders against these organizations. The government of India or the government of Telangana or the JNT authorities or the police authorities should take necessary actions such as issuing or prohibition orders or release white paper against these cyber criminal organizations in order to diffuse them. Now, coming to the COVID 19 corona pandemic situation, we all know how COVID 19 affected our lives since a year. This COVID 19 pandemic, which was originated in Wuhan, city of China, has spread to many other countries as its transmission controls become difficult. Just like other countries, India also faced a lot of difficulty in handling the situation to provide safety and control the transmission in its population, and so we treated it as a national threat. Government has taken several steps to reduce the spread, but people did not effectively understand the situation. Many people faced the loss of their loved ones suddenly. The approaches like social distancing, self isolation, avoiding the gatherings, following proper protection gears like mask, sanitizer, hand wash, gloves, etc., were followed to a good extent, but they became a burden for the people. Government must supervise all such situations and strengthen the mind of the people so that everyone obeys and follows the guidelines strictly. Now, coming to the topic viral TBDCOs versus viral corona. The COVID 19 pandemic is a great threat to the nation and stands as a challenge as it has affected day to day life and led to huge loss of human lives. The country faced and is still facing a lot of losses. A vaccine for corona is yet to reach the people, and the people still fear for safety. The spread of corona can imperil the nation. The safety, welfare, and economy of the nation has become a threat due to corona, such as viruses compared with TBDCOs, a national hazard, a both and national challenges. Corona is a pandemic and is incident throughout the length and breadth of India, but TBDCO are cyber criminal organization due to which only Telangana is affected by these cyber crimes. The higher education environment is badly affected due to TBDCOs. Some experts, including a Japanese Nobel laureate, termed corona as artificial, which meant fake biological entity. Some considered corona as having the potential as a biological warfare weapon, and TBDCO as having a potential as a cybercrime weapon. Corona is a health hazard, but TBDCO are not health hazards. In the backdrop of cybercriminal setting, Telangana polity turned determinable to national ethos. Corona positive includes the true positive and the false negative cases where TP are those having corona and test result is positive. FN is an having corona but test result is negative. FGOT positive includes facts of registrations made 2500 registration. The artificial life due to COVID-19 and TBDCO, the corona pandemic situation resulted in artificial life as mostly online activities were going on. The TBDCOs always include online activity and sometimes even offline but no records. The forensics for COVID 19 are observation of the symptoms and reports of laboratory tests made. The forensics of for TBDCOs are the result of a cyber forensic tool. Wayback Machine, which is an AI agent software and a web robot, many snapshots of the traces of TBDCOs is collected thus. There is no proper governance to diffuse both the viral cases. In case of corona, many people died. No proper facilities at hospitals, no proper care for doctors, nurses, cleaners, police, etc. In case of TBDCU, no action was taken, prohibition orders or white paper was not released by the government. The quality of life is at a stack due to COVID 19, and cured quality of digital national life is at stack due to TBDCU. Roots for national development. People Governance Forum is established in 2017 in association with Pairs Foundation, Hyderabad. The PGF webpage URL is it includes PhD scholars, senior faculty of JNTH affiliated colleges, MTech, BTech, MCA, MSc, BA, BSc students as its members. It imparts the patriotism into the students, provides guidance and counseling so that they do not perpetrate nation abuse cybercrimes but instead remedy them. There are many foreign students in this university in Hyderabad. The existence of such Indian abusive cybercrimes gives to them in this age of cyber warfare. The foreigners can easily partner with the cyber criminals for disruptive academics, which imperils the nation and the resultant pose a national menace. So the PGF has taken the responsibility for remedying through many approaches. PGF has undertaken the task of cyber policing the maladaptive management in Telangana academics. The stakeholders of the case with respect to viral corona are people of the nation and the government. The people of the country need to understand how much the below points are important to follow in order to diffuse corona, to understand the fact of situation, to know the prevention methods, to not communicate when not sure of information, to know what to communicate, to be aware on what to do, what when situation is changing, to perform aggressive testing. The government, having huge responsibility for diffusing the viral corona, have to trace and isolate the people, provide proper facilities at hospitals, provide support to the frontline fighters, provide good instructions, guidance, and counseling to its population. The Cyberabad Police or JNTH or GOT or GOA having huge responsibility of diffusing the viral TBDCO have to release a white paper together with prohibition orders against the TBDCOs.